Good evening everyone. This is Satyam Sen from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and today I am going to give you the demo session on the topic number system and its type. Okay, how many types of numbers are exist in the mathematics? So in first of all, before explaining the types of the number, so I would like to explain what is number. So if I am saying how many pen I have, you will say 1. And now how many marker I have? 2 marker I have. And then I will say how many marker I have. So you will say 4 marker I have. So it means for measurement and for calculation we need n quantity, that is the number. In different language we will use the number in different words, like in Hindi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, in English 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. In the same manner in Sanskrit pratham dvitiya tritiya chaturth pancham sashtam saptam ashtam, and in French un deux trois quatre fifth sixth huit neuf and etc. So in different language we will use the numbers for measurement and for calculation. Okay, so I think you have understood what is the number. So now I will explain the types of the number. So the first type of the numbers is natural number. What? Natural number. So natural number is generally defined as by the capital N. Okay, so this is the natural number. This is the natural number. Okay, it is denoted by the capital N. What is a natural number? It is also a small doubt. You should know, each and every student see what is the natural number. So in this general form, if I will explain, then whenever you go to the market, you never say to the shopkeeper that give me potato 1 upon root 2 kilogram, give me potato 2 upon root 3 kilogram. Are you getting my point? You always say to the shopkeeper, give me apple 3 kilogram, 2 kilogram, and potatoes and tomatoes 3 2 as per your choice. Okay, and so in the simple form, if I will explain the natural numbers, so the counting numbers are called the natural numbers, है ना, which is start from the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to infinite. It means the counting numbers is called as the natural number. Got it? Okay, so this is what? This is the natural number. Okay, so 1 2 up to infinite numbers are called the natural number. If I will add the 0 to the given natural number, okay, it is called as the whole number. What? It is called the whole number. Okay, so I am going to explain the types of the number by the syllogism, okay, or why you can say the Venn diagram. Okay, so by the explaining the Venn diagram, it is very easy to understand it. Okay, if we will add the negative numbers to the whole number, okay, then there is a integer. Okay, like minus का 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. Okay, this is called the integer. Okay, if we will add the negative number to the given whole number, is called the integer. Okay, the next type of the number is what? Natural number. Those number which are in the form of the p upon q, that is called the rational number. What? Those number which are in the form of the p upon q and where q not equal to 0 is called the natural number, like 7 upon 2, 6 upon 5, 10 upon 3, etc. is what? Rational number. What? Rational number. What? Rational number, and it is denoted by the capital Q. Okay, so this is what? This is the rational number. So in generally form we also will say the rational number, it is the combination of the integer, whole number and the natural number. Whole number is represented by the capital W and the integer is denoted by the Z. Okay, so this is the rational number. Rational number is the combination of integer, whole number and the natural number. Okay, and if I say what is the whole number, whole number, it is the combination of the natural number by adding the zero. That number and these numbers are called the whole number. If we will add the negative number to the whole number, then there is a integer. Okay, and the fractional number, okay, if we will add the fractional number to the given integer, then those number are called natural number, rational number. Is it clear? And next type of the number is what? In generally form, the numbers are of the two types. What? Two types. Number are of two types. First is what? Imaginary number. What? Imaginary number. And the next is what? Real number. Okay, what? Real number. So now I will explain the real number. Those numbers which are totally different from the rational number is called the irrational number. What? Irrational number. Okay, those numbers which are totally different from the rational number is called the irrational number. What? Irrational number. What? Irrational number. For example, pi, root 3, root pi, root 7, etc. are called the irrational number. What? Irrational number. Clear? The combination of rational number and irrational number is called the real number. Are you getting my point? What I am saying? The combination of rational number and irrational number is called the real number. Okay, and the numbers are of two types, imaginary number and the real number. And real number we already know is very well. The real number is the combination of real rational number and the irrational number. Okay, now the next type is what? Imaginary number. For example, if I will say 3i, 4i, 6i square, or you can say 5 plus 11i, where I is what? Iota. What? Iota. And where I square, the value of I square is minus of 1, or you can also there I is equal to minus of root of minus of 1. Is it clear? So these are the totally different types of the number. And if I will explain, natural number is also different types of the natural numbers are here. Okay, what? Natural numbers is also different types of the number. You can say that even number. What? Even number, odd number, composite number. What? Composite number, prime number, co-prime number. Okay, you have already studied about these number. Even number, those number which is totally divided by the 2 and totally divided by the 2, that is called the even number. Completely divided by the 2, that is called the even number. And those number which are not completely divided by the 2 is called the odd number. Composite number, it is the, like for example, if I say 15, it is the composition of the two number like 3 and 5. If I say 21, this is what? 7 into 3. Okay, these all are what? Composite number. What is the prime number? If I say what is the prime number? Prime numbers are those number whose factor is 1 and number itself. It means those number which have the only two factor, number itself and the 1. Okay, that is called the prime number, like 2, 3, 7, 5, 11, etc. Okay, what is the co-prime number? Co-prime number, it is the pair of the two number. Okay, where the SCF is 1. SCF means what? Highest common factor. Those number which have the SCF is 1, that is called the co-prime number. Okay, if I say 7 and 22, 7 and 22 is what? Is what? Co-prime number. Its HCF is what? 1. Okay, next pair is what? If I say 17 and 3, this is also the co-prime number. Okay, now the some other types of the numbers is also here, like rational number. What? Rational number. So before explaining the rational number, I have to rough it with. And rational number is also the are of two types. Rational number are also the two types. First is what? terminating decimal, terminating decimal, and the next is what? Non-terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Okay, this is what rational number is also are of two types, terminating decimal and the non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal is what? If I am saying that I am going to divide by 2 to the given number 10, means 10 upon 2. Okay, so 2 5 what? 10. So remainder is what? 0. So it is terminated. It is what? It is terminated. Okay, you can take another example like 7 upon 2. Okay, so I am going to divide by the 2 to the given number 7. 2 3 ja 6, 1 decimal, 2 5 ja 10. What? 2 5 ja 10, remainder is 0. This is what? It is terminated. It is terminated after the decimal. Okay, one digit of the decimal. Okay, this is called the terminating decimal expansion. Now I will explain the non-terminating decimal. Like I am going to divide by the 3 to the given number 10. What? 10. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja what? 3 3 ja 9. So 1 is remaining, decimal 10, 3 3 ja 9. So 1 is remaining and is here again 3 3 ja 9 up to soon. 3 3 will come out. So it is what? Non-terminating. It is what? Non-terminating, and non-terminating expansion is denoted by the bar. It means 3 up to soon is coming here. Okay, so this is all are the types of the number which I have explained. And another response is what? Irrational number. Okay, root 3, root 5, root 7. Pi is also the irrational number. What? Pi is also the irrational number. Like the value of pi is what? 3 decimal 14159. Okay, sometimes you have also seen the value of pi 22 upon 7. Is it clear? Root 3, root 5, root 7 and root 11, root 13, root 70, root 90 is also the irrational number. The combination of irrational number and the rational number is called the what? It's called the real number. Okay, there is some secret about the pi. This is what? Third month of the year is what? March. Okay, and 14 March. Okay, 3 decimal 14, it means 14th March is celebrated as the International Pi Day. What? International Pi Day. Okay, everyone should know about it. International Pi Day is celebrated in all over the world. Okay, and the same manner that on the 22 December is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day of India. Okay, that's it for today, and this is my demo session of I don't know, there is I have crossed more than the required times that you have given to me, 5 to 7 minutes, but it was not possible for me to explain all the types of the number within 5 to 7 minutes. And whatever, this is the demo. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for your patience that you have watched my video. Thank you.